Can a photographer really make $100,000 a year? It sounds like a dream, but it's totally possible. Let's dive into how you can turn your passion for photography into a high-paying career. First, mastering photography skills is super important. You need to know how to use your camera well, understand lighting, and get good at editing your photos. Learning about things like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO settings will help you take great pictures in different lighting conditions. Also, using editing software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom can make your photos look even better. Next, you need to build a strong portfolio. Your portfolio shows potential clients what you can do. It should include your best work and show off different styles and skills. Make sure to update it regularly with new and exciting photos. Having an online portfolio is also very important. Many clients will first see your work online, so make sure your website looks good and is easy to navigate. Another key point is to diversify your services. This means offering different types of photography like portraits, weddings, events, and commercial work. Each type has its own rates and demand. By offering a variety of services, you can attract a wider range of clients. For example, wedding photography can be very profitable because couples are willing to spend a lot to capture their special day. Commercial photography, which involves taking pictures for ads, websites, and products, can also bring in good money because businesses have bigger budgets. Investing in quality equipment is crucial. High-quality cameras, lenses, and lighting can make a big difference in your work. A good camera with high resolution and fast autofocus is important for capturing sharp, detailed images. Different lenses offer various perspectives and effects, so having a versatile zoom lens and a sharp prime lens is a great starting point. Lighting equipment like softboxes, reflectors, and external flashes give you more control over your photos. Staying updated with the latest technology helps you stay competitive. New camera models, editing software, and accessories are released regularly. Keeping up with these advancements ensures you have the best tools for your work. For example, drones are becoming popular in photography. They offer unique perspectives and can be a valuable addition to your gear. Continuous learning is key. The photography industry is always evolving, and new styles and techniques are constantly emerging. Following popular photography blogs and magazines can help you stay informed about what's trending. Joining photography forums and online communities is another great way to keep up with trends. You can learn from other photographers, share your work, and get feedback. Participating in challenges and contests can also push you to try new things and improve your skills. Attending workshops and courses offers valuable learning experiences. They provide hands-on training and insights from experienced photographers. Online courses are convenient and flexible. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare offer a wide range of photography courses. You can learn at your own pace and focus on areas where you want to improve. Feedback is essential for growth. It helps you understand what you're doing well and where you can improve. Seek feedback from clients, peers, and mentors. Constructive criticism can guide you in refining your skills and enhancing your work. Actively asking for feedback shows that you're committed to improving. It also builds trust with your clients as they see you value their opinions. Marketing yourself well is crucial. Having a strong online presence can make a big difference. Creating a professional website showcasing your portfolio is essential. Use social media to share your work and connect with potential clients. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are great for sharing your photos and reaching a wider audience. Use hashtags and keywords to make your posts more discoverable. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Building a community around your work can lead to more referrals and opportunities. Hey, real quick, if you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, Photo Tech Guy, and share this video. Your support helps us bring more useful guides like this to you. Now, let's get back to the video. Oh, before I forget, check out the links in the description for amazing cameras and more. Now back to the video. Networking is very important. Meeting people in the industry can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. Attending events, workshops, and meetups can help you connect with other photographers, potential clients, and industry professionals. Building a network takes time and effort. Start by joining photography groups online and offline. Participate in discussions, share your work, and learn from others. The more people you know, the more chances you have to get referrals and find new clients. Having strong relationships with your clients is essential. Happy clients are more likely to come back and refer you to others. Always provide excellent service and go the extra mile to ensure your clients are satisfied. Keep in touch with your clients even after the job is done. Send them updates, holiday greetings, or special offers. This shows that you value their business and keeps you in their minds for future projects. Listening to your clients' needs and preferences can help you deliver better results. Personalize your services to match their expectations. This level of attention can make a big difference in client satisfaction and loyalty. Setting the right prices for your photography services is key to making $100,000 or more a year. It's important to charge what your work is worth, but also to stay competitive. Start by researching what other photographers in your area charge. Look at their experience level, the quality of their work, and the services they offer. Consider your own costs, including equipment, software, and travel. Make sure your prices cover these expenses and still leave you with a profit. It can be helpful to create different packages for clients to choose from. This way, they can pick the one that best fits their needs and budget. Understanding the market rates for photography services helps you set fair and attractive prices. Different types of photography have different rates. For example, wedding photography often commands higher prices than portrait photography. Knowing these rates helps you position yourself correctly in the market. Use online resources and forums to see what other photographers are charging. Websites like Petapixel and Stoppers offer insights into industry standards. This information can guide you in setting your own rates. Sometimes clients may try to negotiate your prices. Having strong negotiation strategies can help you maintain your value while accommodating their needs. Be clear about what your prices include and why your services are worth the cost. Offering discounts for larger packages or repeat clients can be a good compromise. It's also important to set boundaries. Know your minimum acceptable rate and stick to it. If a client is not willing to pay what you're worth, it might be best to walk away. Staying firm on your prices helps maintain your professional value. Offering additional services can boost your income. This includes selling prints, photo books, and digital albums. Providing photo editing or retouching services can also add extra revenue. Clients love having physical copies of their photos. You can offer prints in various sizes, photo books, and canvases. These products can be a significant source of extra income. Online galleries make it easy for clients to order prints. You can set up a gallery on your website where clients can view and purchase their favorite photos. This convenience can increase your sales and boost your overall earnings. Sharing your knowledge through workshops and tutorials is a great way to earn more. Many people are interested in learning photography, and they're willing to pay for quality instruction. You can offer workshops for beginners, advanced photographers, or specific topics like lighting or editing. Online tutorials and courses can reach a wider audience. Platforms like YouTube or specialized education websites allow you to share your expertise with people around the world. Charging for access to these tutorials or offering one-on-one coaching can add to your income. Commercial photography is a great way to make good money. Businesses need high-quality images for their ads, websites, and products. As a commercial photographer, you can charge higher rates because companies have bigger budgets. Your photos help them sell products, so they are willing to pay for quality work. Advertising photography is a part of commercial work. It focuses on creating images for marketing campaigns. This type of photography often involves working with models and stylists to create eye-catching pictures. If you can build a strong portfolio in this area, you can attract high-paying clients. Wedding photography is one of the most lucrative fields. Couples are willing to spend a lot to capture their special day. As a wedding photographer, you can offer various packages, including albums and prints, to increase your earnings. Booking just a few weddings a year can significantly boost your income. Event photography is another good option. This includes corporate events, parties, and conferences. Companies often need photos of their events for promotional purposes. Event photography can provide a steady stream of work in high rates, especially for large corporate clients. Corporate photography involves taking pictures for businesses. This can include headshots, office environments, and company events. Good corporate photos help companies present a professional image. This type of work can be very profitable, especially if you build long-term relationships with clients. Real estate photography is growing in demand. Real estate agents need high-quality photos to sell properties. Great photos make homes look more attractive to buyers. Real estate photographers often use drones to capture aerial shots, which can command higher prices. Investing in quality equipment and staying updated with technology ensures you can deliver top-notch services. Having the right gear is essential for any photographer aiming to make $100,000 or more a year. Investing in quality cameras, lenses, and lighting can make a big difference in your work. A good camera with high resolution and fast autofocus is crucial for capturing sharp, detailed images. Lenses are just as important as the camera itself. Different lenses offer various perspectives and effects. A versatile zoom lens and a sharp prime lens are great starting points. Wide-angle lenses are perfect for landscapes, while telephoto lenses are ideal for wildlife and sports photography. Lighting equipment is also vital. Natural light is great, but having artificial lighting options gives you more control. Softboxes, reflectors, and external flashes can help you achieve the perfect lighting for your photos. Staying updated with the latest technology helps you stay competitive. New camera models, editing software, and accessories are released regularly. Keeping up with these advancements ensures you have the best tools for your work. Editing software like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop are essential for post-processing. Learning new techniques and features in these programs can enhance your photos and save you time. Drones are becoming popular in photography. They offer unique perspectives and can be a valuable addition to your gear. Investing in a drone can open up new opportunities for aerial photography, which is in high demand. Making smart investments in your equipment can help your business grow. While it's tempting to buy the latest gear, consider what will benefit your work the most. Prioritize items that will improve your efficiency and the quality of your photos. Secondhand equipment can be a cost-effective option. Many photographers sell their gear when upgrading, and you can find great deals on cameras and lenses in good condition. Regularly maintaining your equipment ensures it lasts longer and performs well. Cleaning your camera and lenses, updating software, and servicing your gear can prevent issues and costly repairs. By following these steps and staying dedicated, you can achieve your goal of making $100,000 or more a year as a photographer. Remember, it takes hard work, creativity, and smart business strategies. Keep learning, stay inspired, and always strive to improve. With the right approach, your passion for photography can turn into a successful and lucrative career. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming a high-earning photographer.